Hey everyone, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. So, everyone dreams of landing a role that not only pays well but also sets them on a path to grow and impact. But here's the catch, not everyone knows how to grab those opportunities when they come. Today, we will go through the AI developer role at Accent Techno Soft. So, we'll go over who they are, what this role is all about, and most importantly, what you need to do to get in. So, Accent Technosoft is a fast growing name in IT consulting and technology solutions. They work closely with global partners and industry leaders to deliver end to end services. From digital transformation to cutting edge tech, they are helping businesses stay ahead. And their strength lies in innovation and solving complex real world problems with technology. For young professionals, Accent Technosoft offers exposure to diverse projects and emerging technologies. So, what's the opportunity all about? Accent Technosoft is hiring for the role of AI developer. The position is based in Coimbatore, India. They are open to professionals with up to 3 years of experience, and freshers are most welcome. And coming to the compensation, you can earn up to 5 lakhs per annum. And ATS is looking for enthusiastic individuals ready to make an impact in AI. So, if you hold a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, AI, ML, data science, or any related field, you are eligible. So, freshers with strong academic projects, a solid GitHub portfolio, or relevant internships are highly encouraged to apply. And here's something important, they value team players who enjoy solving problems together. So, as an AI developer at Accent Technosoft, you will design and develop AI ML models using Python and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And you'll be working on diverse projects from natural language processing to computer vision and predictive analytics. So, you should be able to integrate models into real world applications using REST APIs and of course, write a clean code, document your workflows, and collaborate with senior developers on solving complex problems. To help you prepare, here are the three interview questions you can expect in the interview. So, the first one, explain the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So, this is the building block of the machine learning theory. Coming to the second question, how would you optimize a machine learning model that's overfitting? Coming to the last and the most important, walk us through a project from your GitHub where you apply AI or ML to solve a real world problem. So, if you're applying, make sure that you have a project relevant to this role. So, now let's talk about perks. You will receive a competitive compensation package based on your skills and experience, and also you will have an exposure to complex real world AI projects. You will accelerate your career in a fast paced, tech driven environment. And for freshers, this is a launchpad into a rewarding AI career. So, here are some quick tips to help you succeed in this role. First one, strengthen your Python and machine learning frameworks. Build a predictive model on a public data set. Example, predicting house prices with scikit-learn or image classification with TensorFlow. So, why will it help? How will it help? It shows that you can code, train, and evaluate models using real frameworks like employers expect those. And coming to the second one, revise key AI concepts like NLP, natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive modeling. So try a mini NLP projects like sentiment analysis on Twitter data or a computer vision project like classifying dog versus cat images. So many of you might have already done it. So this will help you that it will demonstrate that you understand how different AI branches solve different problems. Coming to the third one, highlight your academic projects, Kaggle work, or GitHub repositories. So, maintain a GitHub repository where you have uploaded notebooks from Kaggle competitions or college projects. So, include clean documentation and visuals. So, employers love seeing a portfolio of work they can quickly check. Coming to the fourth tip, be prepared to discuss how AI is applied across industries. you should have a clear idea about this. Like in healthcare, AI is used for disease prediction. In retail, it's used for recommendation systems. In HR domain, predictive analytics can forecast attrition. So this shows you can connect AI to business impact, not just code. Coming to the last and most important tip, practice explaining complex concepts in simple, confident terms. So instead of saying we train a CNN with multiple convolutional layers, say we built a system that can look at an image and decide if it's a cat or a dog. So similar to how our eyes detect patterns. And that's your complete roadmap to cracking the AI developer role at Accent Techno Soft. So keep practicing, keep building, and make your mark in the exciting world of AI. For more such opportunity like this, visit OdinSchool. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.